Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella Rago and welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I brought my mama Angela back for a very special Valentine's Day episode for you guys. Say hi everybody, ma.
Ciao a tutti! Voglio un mondo di bene a tutti. Ciao.
And tell everybody what we're going to make. Another one of your easy
mamma
recipes.
Mia, special cake, the ice box cake with cherries, with the Amarena cherries. And I want to dedicate this cake to all the lovers. And in Italian, it's also called mattonella cake because you see these lovely cookies? Don't they look like little tiles? And so, Rosette, let's have some fun.
Yes, we're going to make this icebox cake by layering these cookies. These are just butter cookies, but you can use graham crackers, you can use tea biscuits, whatever, like flat cookies you could find. And we're going to layer it with a nice cream that we're going to make with some Amarena cherries. So Amarena cherries, Ma, what are Amarena cherries? Tell everybody.
Wild cherries, usually from Italy. They are super delicious, veramente speciale, una cosa speciale.
And these are Fabri Amarena cherries. It's probably one of the more famous brands of the cherries in syrup that you could find in Italy. These are imported. We actually have these available in our online shop, La Bottega. And these are just some syrup with some Amarena cherries inside. We're going to actually use the syrup to make a component of our icebox cake, right, Ma?
Yes, yes.
So first we're going to drain these.
Oh, aren't they pretty? My God, they look like velvet. Like, mi piacciono. And they are so delicious.
They're
Mamma
very
mia.
sweet.
Well, yes, of course. Yeah, Valentine, you have to be sweet, Rosa. It's a special day.
It is a special day, Ma.
Yes.
It is a special day.
Mamma mia.
Okay, so now let's go over the rest of our ingredients. What do we got here, Ma?
Oh, we have the whipped cream, ricotta.
And we're going to mix that together?
Of course. And has a rich taste, Rosa. Ricotta with whipped cream.
It
Best.
does.
Oh, yes, yes. Very rich and powerful. Then we have the milk because we have to dip the cookies in the milk. It's nice and easy. You don't have to bake.
And we have a little confectioner sugar, right?
Oh, yes, yes.
And
of course.
vanillina. It's my favorite thing.
Always. You always put vanillina because it enhances the taste.
It really does. It
Yes,
really, really does.
Yes, a special flavor.
So let's see. What do we do first?
First of all, we have to create the cream.
Okay.
And so we
I'm
have
gonna
to
add
and I have to make
the
whipped cream.
I'm going to add the vanillina to the ricotta.
Yes, and you don't mind the noise, right?
Not yet. No. And then we're going to add the powdered sugar
Yes.
to our ricotta as
Yes.
well.
And then
While you mix that up, I'm
Yes.
going to mix this up, okay?
okay, let's work together. Ecco, non attaccato, mannaggia la miseria. Benissimo. See? Now it's done. See, Rossella, it's nice and thick.
Okay. So you got to whip this until stiff peaks form, and that means that when you go like that,
Yeah.
it stays up, the cream. It doesn't
Never down.
fall over.
Okay, if it falls down, no good.
If it falls down, no good, right, Ma?
No good. See, Rossella, isn't it nice and easy?
Yes, it's
And
very,
the
very
beauty
easy.
of it is you don't have to bake. Mamma mia, come on, to bake. It's
Why you
too
don't
much
like to
work.
bake, Ma?
It's too much work. I always find the easy way out.
That
know?
you do, Ma.
Oh, yes, absolutely.
You really, really do.
Yes.
So
And-
I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold the whipped cream into the ricotta cream.
Yes.
And Ma, you're going to make our soak over here.
Yes, and I'm going to put 2 spoons of juice in here. Yeah.
Just going to take the whipped cream a little bit at a time and I'm going to fold it in here.
Okay. Now let's mix it.
I love this recipe because the milk kind of turns this very cute pink color.
And it's a great cake. appropriate for Valentine's Day, even the colors with those red cherries, shiny. And, I dedicate this cake to all the lovers. And to be a lover, you don't have to work hard. You don't need to bake.
Your philosophy is very fascinating, Ma.
Oh, yes, absolutely. But let me tell you, it's a beautiful cake. It looks pretty, and it's delicious. That's what really counts. Right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yes.
I mean,
and
it's
it's easy to make. Anybody.
easy, delicious. You don't have to bake and turn the oven on. It's got everything.
Yes,
It really does.
Yes.
It really, really does. Not a lot of prep.
No,
you know?
no. Come on. Life is complicated. Let's
Life
make it
is
easy.
complicated.
Let's make it easy.
I agree.
You
The
agree?
easier, the better, Ma. Now we have everything,
In place.
all of our little assembly line.
Okay, and now let's do the tile work, Rosa.
Let's do some tile work, Ma.
Yeah.
Let us do some tile
It's
work.
like putting tiles.
It's like putting tiles.
Yeah, it's fun.
I agree. So we're going to go one layer of the cookies, and this is why they call it a mattonella, because it's like laying tiles.
Oh, yeah. Nice and fun.
And then for this part, we're going to break some of them and just make it fit. Don't
yeah.
worry about it being perfect. Nobody's going to inspect the layers.
No. Yeah. See? Break a little. Just make it fit. See? Not bad.
Yep. Patch any holes, like a real construction job.
Oh, yeah. Siamo un altro pezzettino.
A little bit over here. That's it.
Okay, tutto bene.
And we did our first layer. Look at that.
Okay, now.
We're going to put some of our cream, about a third of it.
Yeah. Okay. Nice and easy and quick.
Okay, so now we're going to put a couple of the cherries over here.
Yes.
And we're going to drizzle with some of the juice. Prendi
Yeah.
un po' di juice, fai.
Yeah, just drizzle it like this so you get the taste of the cherry.
What a perfect Valentine's Day dessert.
Oh, mamma mia, it's great. Let me tell you. Whoever is going to make this cake is going to get a special gift.
Ma, did you and Dad ever go out on Valentine's Day?
No,
Why?
because he liked my cooking too much.
Really?
Yeah, he was too fussy.
But you hated to cook.
I took the easy way out. What do you think? I was going to be a slave in the kitchen? Aspetta.
You're lucky he liked it.
Yeah. But he thought all my recipes, they all look complicated. Like this looks complicated. Doesn't look like an easy recipe, Dramatic.
You always did have a flair for the drama, Ma. Absolutely.
Oh, yes.
Absolutely.
And let me tell you, I had a friend, even though she was cheating on the husband, she compensated him with all these great...
Well, that's a trade-off,
Oh, let me tell you.
Either you have fidelity or you have good
let me
food,
tell you,
right?
Rosa, and when somebody told the husband, oh, I think your wife is cheating on you, he said, it's impossible because my wife is such a great cook and she's fantastic. He didn't believe it, capisci?
He didn't believe it.
No, never
Capiche?
believed it. And let me
Never
tell
believed it.
one of the best gifts on Valentine's Day, let me tell you, cooking makes miracles in life, It's
You
a
think
miracle.
so?
Oh, yes. And I could tell you stories. What's that?
Oh, no, you have, Ma.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean,
No,
what do you mean you could?
But I don't mention the people, capisci? Otherwise
Yes,
they'll
you
kill
do.
me.
What are you talking about?
No, but I don't mention.
Oh, not on the
names,
show. Yeah, you don't talk about people
No,
on the show.
even in real life, I'm a private.
All right.
What's that?
Sure.
I mind my business.
All right, Ma. All right. I'll do
All
this
right.
layer.
Yes. Okay.
Look, we're almost done. Look at this.
Mamma mia, una torta per gli innamorati.
This is so good.
Totò used to say, a sera, quando il sole se ne trase e dà consegna a luna per giornata, ci dice in orecchia, mi raccomando a tutti innamorati.
Well, it wouldn't be a real episode with my mother without a dramatic reading of something.
Oh, yes.
You know,
I
you
like,
can't expect her to just come on and
la poesia, tutta.
and not, you know,
Sì,
do a dramatic interpretation.
Oh, yeah.
It just wouldn't be her. Beautiful.
Okay, time for the cherries.
Okay, and you put the juice, Ma.
Oh, yes, of course.
I'll put the cherries, you put the juice.
Yes.
See, is this artistic for you because you paint?
Oh, yes, of course. I see art everywhere. I see beauty everywhere.
This is so good. You really want like a nice cherry in every bite since there's so many nice layers of these.
Yes.
Delicious.
And I like it too because it's not too sweet. You know, sometimes some cakes are so terrible they kill it with sugar, you know. They kill the taste with sugar. When the
Nonna thinks
ingredients-
everything is too sweet.
Yeah, but no, but when they don't put good ingredients, it's like they put a lot of sugar.
I know.
just,
I hate
to
when they
kill
don't
it.
put good ingredients.
You know,
It really
this
bothers
is good
me.
stuff, ragazzi. It's not cheap ingredients. It's
Definitely not
nothing
cheap.
is artificial. It's great.
Okay, now we're on our last layer.
Last layer. Il terzo piano. The third floor, ragazzi. And now.
Patch all the holes. And now you want to put the last layer on top?
Yeah. Ok, benissimo. L'ultimo piano. The top floor.
Okay, now let me fix it.
Yeah, you fix.
Okay. So you just want to
Okay.
smooth the top and kind of make a little bit of a design.
Yes.
Can clean the edges later.
Okay.
Okay, and now we're going to put the
Benissimo.
last of our juice and
Cherries.
cherries.
Yeah.
Okay, this looks beautiful.
Beautiful and delicious.
Beautiful,
Deliciosa.
beautiful. So now we're just going to, clean out the borders.
Yes.
Cover it with some saran wrap, and we're going to refrigerate it for at least 4 hours or even overnight is fine.
Yes.
And then when we come back, we're going to have one already done and cooled, and we're going to cut it, and we're going to eat it, right?
Yes. You know what? Let's invite the Nonna too.
Okay.
No, Nonna, she likes cakes. I know.
I know she
I could
does. She
read
loves
her
cake.
mind,
Too
yeah.
much. She loves cake.
Yeah. We'll
Too
give her
much.
a little piece.
All right, we'll have some cake. We'll have some coffee. We'll have a nice
Yes.
time in honor of that because we worked hard too.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see you in a
Of
little
course.
bit.
Ciao. A presto. Arrivederci.
You done?
Eh? No.
Are you finished?
Che cosa?
Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this cake. Ma, you have your coffee, right?
Yes, always.
So we're ready to cut it?
Yes.
You excited?
Oh, yes.
Nonna, you excited?
Yeah.
No. See? What a nice cake, ma.
Oh my God.
Took me so long to make it. You have no idea, mommy.
She worked so hard.
Huh? Does it look like a... Hey,
Good.
stay away from my coffee.
Sorry.
Okay.
All right, so I spilled some coffee. Oops.
That's okay.
If I had $1 for every cup of coffee I spilled. Oh, wow.
Ah.
Look at that. Can you see the layers? Kind of.
Yeah.
This looks beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Nonna, you want a piece too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not big like that. Yeah.
You want a half of this?
Yeah.
You want a half? Okay. We take a half and we give it to you. I'm going to share with
Okay,
Mom.
Thank you.
Wow, I got a cherry. Mommy.
It tastes so good. It tastes like a whipped cloud
It's true.
mixed with cherries.
Mamma mia.
Like a cherry cloud of
It's not-
deliciousness.
It's not too sweet. You could taste
So
all
good.
the good ingredients, the real ingredients.
All the good ingredients is right here.
Mm-hmm.
Buonissimo.
È buonissima, yeah. Buona.
I hope you guys had fun watching 3 generations. Well, taste this. 2 generations made it. but 3 generations tasted it. I spilled some coffee. We had some laughs. I hope you guys have a very beautiful Valentine's Day.
Rossella, you
What?
see Grandma's
Thank you.
eating like a thief.
You finished the whole piece already?
Ma, too
I
fast.
don't have a big piece.
You don't have a big piece. No, Ma, it was pretty big, Ma.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you're small.
Happy Valentine's Day from our family to yours. Ciao. We'll see you guys
Auguri.
next time.
Auguri for everybody. Happy Valentine's Day.
Ma, a tutti gli innamorati. Ciao.